Good morning, folks. Back out with the Kanyon, as I said. I've changed over the stock motor, which was a 60 ton. I've put in a 35 ton, fitted a far smaller pinion. I have taken the diff covers off, greased them up, packed them full of grease, stripped the gearbox apart, packed it full of grease, reassembled, rebuilt. Now the drawback is, this is making some really strange noises. Now there's nothing wrong with my gear mesh. It should be bang on. But this is making some strange noises at low revs. So you'll hear what it's like, and then you can decide. Speed-wise, there's a big difference. There we go. Now that now is full speed. Which is a lot better. You can hear yourself just how noisy this is. You do not get what's up with it. It's alright when you're running, not so bad when you're running at speed, but at low revs. Squirrel! Squirrel! Haha, there it goes. Where's he going? Something's not right with this setup. It should not be squealing like this. Should certainly not be squealing like it is. The clean time's alright still. Yeah, I'm going to check this. See what the motor temperature's like. There is a motor anyway. It's not overgeared. It's not a case of it's overgeared. It's still that cool. Even when touching it, you couldn't tell whether there was any heat in it or not. Maybe just a case that it needs running. That's definitely a lot better. It's clogging quite a bit. And you can maybe give me some pointers as to what's causing it to squeal like this. And like I say, I've made sure the gear mesh is bang on. When it gets up to speed, it sounds great when it's going flat out. But when it's down low, I mean, that sounds rough as a badger. Let's see if I can go the other way today. It ploughed its way through. It's just the low range setting the problem is. And that you can cope with. That's reasonably quiet at speed. And it's a hell of a bloody noisy down low. You can hear that yourself, struggling to get speed up. Yet once it does, it's nice and quiet. I mean, you can't really hear that. It's almost as if it's labouring, but there's no heat in the motor. Then you get into the upper range, and it's fine. Okay, it may be fast for a Kanyon, but at least it looks a bit more scale-like for slow-moving short course, you know. You can hear that yourselves. It should not be making this noise. I may need to strip that gearbox apart again. see what I can do. And that's far too noisy for my liking. And up into higher range, and actually it's running reasonably quiet. I don't mind that. That's perfectly fine. I do not get what's causing this. Strange one. You got up the full chat. And it's reasonably quiet. You drop in speed and you get this horrendous shrieking noise. Certainly turns alright, considering its size. Well, you can't really do donuts with it. You see what I mean by it? There's something seriously not right. So, any of you other canyon owners out there, give me an idea as to what the hell is causing this noise. Once you get up in speed, it dies away. Well, bang into a tree. Right, I think that will do me. Yes, quite a bit shorter today. I need to get this tested out, and I'll need to do some more investigation. Try and find out why it's making that horrendous noise. It's just absolutely no idea. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, such as it was. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you all. Next video won't be until Monday. So have a safe weekend, and I shall see you all on the next video. Bye for now.